Sad. Hi, my name is Yash, and welcome to my vlog of finding a really good classic car. It all started with a big journey, and let's get started with the bang. Let's see what happened. So, after struggling for 6 months, now at this point, I have checked out multiple cars. I've checked out old BMWs, I've checked out various other classic cars. Some of them would not even have AC in that. So eventually looking for a Camaro with a V8 engine in it and trying to understand if there is a good car or not. So after struggling for a really long time and trying to find out a really good car, I ran out and started looking for all old Camaros which I can find out for really good budget. And so far I met so many car experts, people who have owned these cars for several years, and what I found is that there is so much challenge. Someone suggested me that why don't you buy a used car which is working, has low miles on it, everything in shape, and that way you won't spend a lot of money trying to work on that car. So I did that and I found this. So in life, nothing comes easy. So far, I have been driving my car and this happened. There is a knock in the engine, and after reviewing it with few mechanics, what I found is that I have to put a new engine. So that's it. So every day I just come back home, work on my car, and try to find out new things about it, try to read the service manual, try to learn how a V8 engine actually works, and I found few places where I can get the engine. I do need to find out people who would help me to install this engine, and it's getting so cold to work every day, and yeah, let's see how it goes. So it's not easy, but let's see how it goes. So far, thank you for watching my episode, and I hope you have a really good Christmas time.